Alright, in this video you will learn how to create a complete login form using PHP, MySQL and also jQuery Ajax with the validation. In the last video I have been showed you how to create a user registration form using PHP, MySQL and jQuery Ajax, and here is how we have been done. 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, with the validation. See if we are doing like confirm password is required. 1 2 3 4 5. Again, see password and confirm password is not matched. This one is from previous video which we have been done the registration form. Okay, if the validation is done successfully, then the user registration completed. Okay, and see, check the database. See, the user have been registered successfully. Okay, in this video we will show I will show you how to create a login form after a user have been done the registration successfully, then how a user can log in. Okay, we have another page by the name of dashboard. After the user login successfully, then we will redirect the user to the dashboard. Let me show you the project structure. Okay, this is the last project which we have been done the registration form, and I'm adding another page by the name of login.php. In the login.php, we have the HTML structure, and in that page we have a form. Okay, this is the form, and we have the jQuery and JavaScript like that. As the last video which I said, I'm using the material dashboard, and I given the link in the description. You can go and download the material dashboard UI, and you can reuse that. Otherwise you can design your own. Because of saving the time, I'm using the material dashboard UI. Okay, inside of this form we have two fields, which one is email and another is password. Okay, email and password. Okay, for login we need email and password. And let's start writing our jQuery code, because our form design is ready, and we need to write our jQuery code. Okay, and one more thing, don't forget the source code is available in my GitHub, and I am putting the link on the video description. You can go and download the complete source code, and you can use it. Okay, here I will write my custom snippets, and that was CS Ajax. If you remember, I showed in this last two videos how to create these snippets. If you didn't see that one, also the link is on the description, and click on that link and watch and learn how to create your custom snippets, because this one is very helpful. As you know, only by writing 3 characters we are generating this much line of code. Okay, it will save tons of your times. Okay, here after generating this code, we need to pass the form ID. What is our form ID? Okay, the form ID is login form. We will copy and we will paste here. Okay, on submit of this form, what we will do, we are fetching the data. I have been explained this code line by line in that jQuery Ajax and shorthand. Please watch that video and learn how this code is working and how it is saving our time. Okay, on submitting that form where we are fetching the data, and this one is we are creating an instance of the form. And the first when someone is clicking on this login form, okay, what we will do, we will disable this one, because while a user is going to submit the form, then they cannot submit 2 times, they cannot click 2 times. Okay, only if when they are clicking 1 time, then we will disable the login form. When the response come again, then we will enable it again. Here we will disable the form, and here we will pass our URL where we are submitting our form. we are submitting in PHP tutorial in my folder and login.php. Okay, and here is the Ajax syntax. Type is post, URL is URL, data is data. And in the data, one more things we will do, we will append another field. Okay, data dot append action. Okay, what is the action is login, because we have to check this is coming from the login form or it is not coming. Okay, and here the error of the Ajax. If our PHP code through an error, it will display here. And this one is our success response. If you know, as you know, the jQuery, this is the success response. In success response, first what we are doing, we are disabling the, we will remove the disable. Okay, we will enable again the submit button, the login button. And here as I explained to you, this one is I have been writing here a code which it is displaying our validation error. We will send a validation error from core PHP and we will display here that one. And one thing's okay, don't be confused. You, if you not understanding this for loop, if you copy and paste this one, that is enough for you. Okay, if you want to learn this one completely, then watch the my jQuery Ajax and shorthand. Okay, and there I explain this code line by line, how it is executing and how it is displaying the error on our farm. Okay, then we will do here we are this is also the response status is coming. If the response status is success, then we are coming here, and if it is the failure, then it is coming here. Okay, if it is success, then what we will do, if it is failure, what we will do. Okay, when we are sending the response, then we will come here. Okay, then while submitting this form, the data will go in same page. Okay, then let's fetch our data. Open PHP tag. Okay, first check if is set of dollar underscore post of we said one action action equal to login. Okay, then if the action is equal to login, then this block of code will be executed. First what we will do, we will include our database connection.php. okay, our connection.php is, it is not connections, it is connection. Okay, see our connection.php here, this is our database configuration, and here we are connecting. Okay, you know this one well. Okay, after including this, then first we need to fetch our data which we are submitting with using jQuery, and that is email equal to dollar post of email. Okay, and all the one is dollar password equal to dollar post and dollar underscore post of password. Okay, here we got our password. Then what we will do, we need to do the validation. Okay, and for validation I haven't created a custom snippets which I already explained in that jQuery. If you don't know, you can watch that video, or you can write by yourself by watching this video. Okay, see, we will write CS validation, and what is our field? Email is required. Okay, another one is, this is for email, this is core PHP validation. I have been explained this one in my previous video, and this is very helpful if you want to learn. Okay, I'm suggesting please learn it, and see, in a few minutes we are writing lots of code. Password is required. Then the validation is done. If an email is empty, then email is required. If password is required. If error status is equal to greater than 0, then means there is an error, validation error. Then it will through the error, and it will display. Okay, here see the error will come here. See, if error status equal to 1, okay, then this code will be executed. It is finding the proper small tags. See, here is the small tags. This one is for error. It will find this one automatically, and then it will display the error. If you didn't see the previous video, what I was saying to you is that for each input, okay, keep one small tag near of that, and in that small tag, what you will do, first you will write error, okay, for its ID, and then copy this one. See, email error, and here password error. Okay, I think you already watched the registration, and in there I explained it nicely. Okay, then I will open the inspection mode, and we will refresh the page. If some error is there, it will display here. I will click. The email is required, password is required. From where it is coming? It is coming from our PHP code. See how much easily we are doing the validation, and the validation using jQuery Ajax. Without refreshing the page, we are displaying our error nicely. Okay, that loop will do everything for us. Okay, that is called, guys, smart working. Okay, everyone is doing hard work, but our job is that to make our work fast, and we should be smart. Okay, then right now error is there. Then if error is not there, then here it will come like if validation is success. Okay, then it will come here. Here what we will do, we will connect to a database. Okay, and we will check if the user the email and the password is correct or not. First we will check the email is available or not in our database. If email is available with the password is correct for that email or not, then if it is successfully, then means our the user will be logged in successfully. Otherwise we will throw an error, and we will say like invalid credential. Okay, first we will prepare our query equal to insert. Okay, insert into user sorry, where I am, select star from users, where email equal to email and password equal to password. Okay, this is this is our query, and what we will do here, we will execute $result equal to $connect of query. Okay, then this as you know, this one will execute our query. Then we will check $row equal to MySQL I underscore page underscore array. Okay, and here $result, and here MySQL I search. Okay, you know, this is the basic. Here we will check $count. Okay, count equal to MySQL I num underscore rows. Okay, here we will pass our the rows. Okay, See here, I will explain again. Here we are preparing our query. Here we will execute, and here we will fetch the data from that result. And as if record is there, then it will come in the row. Here we will do the count. Okay, like if it is available, then it will come as 1, because there will be one record. Okay, then we will do cs response. CS response also, I explained to you, it is custom response. Okay, if dollar count greater than 0, okay, or you can do like this, equal to 1. Okay, if dollar count equal to 1 means the user exists, and we will do message will be login success. Okay, successful. Otherwise, if the user is not there, then we will do invalid credentials. Okay, invalid credentials. And here we are sending our response back to our jQuery. Okay, come back in jQuery. In jQuery we are sending two status. One is if response is if login success, then we are sending as 1, otherwise as 0. Okay, first let's check the 1, the 0, if it is failure. Okay, in failure we will do we will do just r dot error response dot message. If the validation is failed, then we will throw one error. Okay, I will display invalid email. Okay, okay. See what is our I have been done a small mistake. Okay, this one will not be count. Okay, we are calling result. Okay, refresh the page. 1 2 3 4 5. The invalid credential. Okay, because this email and this password is not available. See here, we have liaqat hen and hen. Okay, here what we will do, we will refresh our page, and okay, if the user is not available, then we send invalid credential, and we handle that one using jQuery. Then let's come, if the user is exists, then what we will do, if the user is user exists. Okay, exists, what we will do, first we will create a session. Okay, why we are creating a session? Because we will save the user data, its id, name and email, and and we will redirect the user to dashboard. See, after user login successfully, then we are redirecting to another page. For example, like if you go and log into a Facebook, when it is the login done successfully, then it will redirect you to the Facebook page, otherwise it will throw an error. We will do same things. If our login successfully, then we will redirect to another page. And here if user exists, then we will do first things, we will create a session. Okay, we will do session start. Okay, and we will do dollar underscore session of user data. We will save our user data in session. Okay, equal to dollar row, this one. Okay, see, we will save the complete data here. Okay, and even we can write this one on top. Okay, and here we are sending that one. If first we will create a session, then what we will do, then we will through our response. Okay, here the successful response is it is 1, then it will come here. It will come here. If it is coming here, then we will clear the form here, form reset, and we will clean all the error. And what we will do using jQuery, okay, windows dot location window dot location, okay, dot href, okay, href equal to slash php tutorial slash dashboard dot php. Okay, we will if it is successfully, then we using our jQuery, we will redirect to another page. Okay, let's test it. And first let me show you the dashboard. In dashboard, okay, the dashboard also we have HTML, and in dashboard, first what we are doing, we will start the session and we will check, okay, if user data is exist, means the user login successfully, then it will show this page, otherwise it will redirect back to login. Okay, then let me check, let me test it. Okay, we will write my name this time, Liaqat Ali Haidari, and the password, I think it was 12345 for me. Yes, see, and my password is 12345. Invalid credential. Okay, then let's debug why okay, user email is correct, password. Okay, let's check our code. Yeah, I will show you debugging, how to debug. Okay, here, let's see. Yeah, first we need to write yes, what we will do. Okay, see, our password is stored as a hashed one. Okay, that is encoded, it is unreadable. Okay, we are doing MD5. Okay, what you will do, we will create another hashed password. Okay, MD5 of $password. If password is equal to $hashed password, then it will response. Okay, and I think our problem solved. Now we are passing the hashed password, and let's check. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 in. Yes, our login done successfully, and we have been redirected to dashboard. Right now our login registration have been completed successfully, then our login have been done successfully, then we came to dashboard. And now what we will do, we will create a profile for the user, and we will upload the image, and also we will go to settings. Okay, and in settings we will change the password, and yeah, we will work on logout, we will work on all these three. Even if you like and you like to learn more, then I can do some other stuff like beautiful CRUD operation, all those things. I will record the video, and I will keep for you. The goal is that, guys, to help you and to teach you how we are developing an application on real time, and how you are debugging, and how you are using the custom snippets. All those things is very important. Okay, lots of video is there, lots of shortcut is there, but you should know and how to do the things smartly, and how to do the things fastly. Okay, guys, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and to see the next video. Thank you, guys, have a good time. Bye bye.